Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial, we will learn how to use Excel from the first encounter. We commence by launching the Excel button at our desktop here. That one will take us to Excel homepage. In our homepage here, you can see there is a blank workbook here and more templates here. You can click on the more templates here to have a glimpse of what it entails. These are the already made templates provided by Excel for free. You can just click out inside here and edit the data. You can make your monthly company budget, a calendar, and a lot of templates are free here. For us, we want to learn about Excel. We head straight here to our blank workbook. The first thing to learn inside here is the terms that we are going to use in Excel. The first term to learn is the tab. As you can see here, we are in the Home tab. Next is the Insert tab, Draw tab, all through to the Help tab here. The white area here down is called a ribbon. The ribbon is subdivided into groups. There is a clipboard group here, font group, alignment group, all through to the addings group. There is an enlargement button here in the groups that do not fit a lot of icons. You can see in the enlargement button here, a lot of icons appear that could not fit inside here. Also on the alignment group, there is an enlargement button. These are the icons that could not fit in the group. Down here is a working sheet. A sheet is made up of rows and columns. The columns here and the rows here have a name. The rows here are named numerically and the columns here are named alphabetically. The intersection between a row and a column is known as a cell. Each cell here have a name. As you can see here, we are in the column C and we are in the row 5. This cell name is C5. You can click on the other one and try to name it. You can see we are in the column D and in the row 8. The cell name here is D8. As you can see here in the name box. A group of cells is known as a range. A range too also can be named. You can commence by naming the first cell here, which is D3, all through to M16. That's the range of this area. You can just enlarge here and reduce the size of the cells here by clicking on the plus and the minus icons in the rightmost corner of the data. Now you can add here, on the plus icon here, you can add sheets. Combined number of sheets makes a workbook. Having have learned that, now we can type inside the workbook here. Now we can try and make something. For today, we will make a shopping list, right? Shopping list. We type that one and hit OK. You'll notice that these words here spill to the next cell. That's not the correct thing. That is just an illusion. To enlarge cells, we click in between the columns here and drag to the right for them to fit, right? Now, to navigate between the cells here, we can use the arrows at our computer here. The right here navigates to the right, the left navigates to the left, the down arrow navigates to the bottom, and the up arrow navigates to the top. Now we can begin to type our items here. You can type item, and now you can press tab and type cost, right? Must do our shopping at a budget. We begin by buying milk, right? Today we want some milk at our home, right? Press enter and type rice. You can buy rice for today. We can also buy pasta, right? Pasta. Also, we can buy canned beans, right? Canned beans. Canned beans. We can also hit enter and buy our fresh fruits. Fresh fruits, right? We want our body to look healthy, right? And also we can buy a conditioner, right? Conditioner. We want our house to smell nice. The milk goes for $50 at our market, $50. The rice goes for $40. The pasta goes for $120. Canned bean goes for $50 also. You can hit enter and our fruits here goes for $100. Our conditioner here goes for $150, right? We can add a total row down here. We can click total, right? Now, as you can see that our data here doesn't look that appealing. We can try to edit our data to make it look more appealing. We begin by selecting this cell here and hitting here on the alignment group, we hit on the merge and center. Also, we can hit bold here to make our heading here look more bold. You can also italicize and you can underline. You don't want to underline and you don't want to italicize. Here there is a fill bucket here that you can fill the color inside the cell here. We don't want to enter any color. We leave our data empty. Also, you can change the font color of our data here. You can click on any color you want to our font to look like. Now we can click on the item here and make it bold, and also we can italicize. We can also click on the cost here and make it bold and also italicize. Now we want our total row here to look more standing. We can click also on the bold. Our data doesn't look more appealing. Now to make it look more appealing, we click here, and on the insert tab here, we click a table. This checkbox here appears down here. We can click OK to form the table. Now you can see that our table is formed and it's looking more appealing. For our total here, we head straight to the home tab here, right? And on the editing group, we hit the summation icon. Now you can see here that our total is definitely formed. You can see now we were able to use Excel to make a shopping list. If you found this video educating, please subscribe for more tips and tricks. As we dig deep in Excel, we will go to formulas and functions. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks. Now, a bonus tip here is to save our data. We head straight down here to the file, right? Hit on Save As, and you can select the area in your PC you want to save your data. Mine, I'll save my data as the documents. Then I can hit here and edit the data. I'll name it Introduction to Excel. You can hit Save here. Now you can see that our data here is saved. And that's how we go about it. See you in the next. Thank you.